Unboxing Portland Power Pressure Washer. But based on the reviews on Harbor Freight, they're saying these are really good machines for, like, you know, small jobs around the house. So we're just gonna test it out and see how she performs. The hose is pretty much kind of like, it connects. It's kind of like a quick connect type of thing. I don't know how you guys want to call it, but as you can see, it has a lock here. Once you put the hose in, you just lock it in place. There you go. And you have a little soap can thing. This is like a soap dispenser, just same way as the tip end. You just put it sideways and then you bring it down. You just have to push it in a little bit and then it locks in place. So you put here your soap. I guess it's saying straight to rock. We give it a try. Try to film a couple of minutes of the power washer, like doing its thing. So we'll see how it goes.